Stop, don't put that garlic in the pan yet. Because if you do, you might be destroying up to 90% of the reason you're eating it in the first place. I know that sounds dramatic, but stay with me because the science behind garlic is honestly shocking. Garlic isn't just food. It's one of the oldest medicines in human history. Ancient Egyptians fed it to workers building the pyramids. Greek athletes ate it before the Olympic Games. And modern science keeps proving they were onto something big. A major 2016 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutrition reviewed over 20 studies with nearly 1,000 participants. The result? Garlic reduced total cholesterol by an average of 17 milligrams per deciliter. Another study from the University of Adelaide found garlic lowered systolic blood pressure by 4.6 mmHg in people with hypertension. For older adults, that can be the difference between managing health naturally or needing another prescription. But here's the problem. Most people are using garlic in a way that completely cancels out these benefits. Some mistakes just waste money. Others can actually increase health risks, especially for seniors. Doctors are starting to warn people about this more and more. And mistake number 1, a single error that destroys up to 90% of garlic's most powerful compound in seconds. We'll get to that last, because it's the most important thing you'll learn today. But first, let's count down the 10 garlic mistakes doctors warn older adults about. Quick question before we start. Drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments. We read every single one. Mistake. 10. Ignoring your personal garlic sensitivity. Garlic is natural, so it must be safe for everyone, right? Wrong. Garlic contains fructans, a type of carbohydrate that many people, especially those with IBS, can't digest properly. A 2017 study in gastroenterology hepatology found that up to 70% of IBS patients improved after eliminating high FODMAP foods like garlic. Here's what makes this tricky as you age. Your digestion changes. You might have eaten garlic your entire life with no issues. Then suddenly in your 60s or 70s you start experiencing bloating, cramps, or gas, and never connect it to garlic. A smart workaround? Garlic-infused oil. The flavor transfers, but the problematic carbohydrates don't. You still get the taste with far less digestive stress. Mistake number 9. Storing garlic in the refrigerator. This one seems logical, but it's wrong. Cold temperatures and moisture trigger sprouting. A 2014 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed sprouted garlic develops different antioxidant compounds, along with a bitter taste and rubbery texture. Best storage? A cool, dry, dark place with airflow. Whole bulbs can last months this way. Once you break the bulb, use cloves within 7-10 days. Mistake number 8, using jarred, pre-minced garlic. Convenient, yes. Healthy, almost not at all. A University of Alabama study found jarred garlic contains almost no allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's heart benefits. Why? Allicin is unstable. It forms only after fresh garlic is crushed and degrades quickly. By the time jarred garlic reaches your kitchen, it's basically garlic-flavored filler. A garlic press takes 10 seconds. Your heart is worth those 10 seconds. Mistake number 7. Eating too much raw garlic more is not better. The World Health Organization recommends 1 to 2 cloves per day. Exceed that and you risk heartburn, nausea, diarrhea, increased bleeding risk. Especially important if you're older. Moderation is where garlic works best. Mistake number 6. Combining garlic with blood thinners. This one is serious. Garlic naturally thins blood. If you're taking medications like warfarin, aspirin, or clopidogrel, large amounts of garlic or supplements can increase bleeding risk. Always keep garlic intake consistent and talk to your doctor before supplementing. Mistake number 5. Eating garlic on an empty stomach. Raw garlic without food can seriously irritate your stomach lining. As we age, that lining gets thinner. Always eat garlic with food. Even a small snack is enough to buffer it. Mistake number 4. Not stopping garlic before surgery. The American Society of Anesthesiologists recommends stopping garlic supplements at least 2 weeks before surgery. Garlic affects clotting, even if you're not on medication. Always tell your surgical team about garlic use. Mistake number 3. Microwaving garlic. A 2001 study in the Journal of Nutrition found garlic microwaved for just 60 seconds lost 100% of its cancer-fighting activity. 0. Microwaves destroy the enzymes before they can do their job. Add garlic after microwaving, or cook it gently using other methods. Mistake number 2, throwing garlic into scorching hot oil. That amazing smell, that's your allicin being destroyed. High heat breaks it down almost instantly. Add garlic at the end of cooking, not the beginning. Mistake number 1, not letting garlic rest after crushing. This is the big one. Garlic doesn't contain allicin until after you crush or chop it. 2 compounds mix, an enzyme activates, and that reaction takes time. A landmark study showed garlic crushed and immediately cooked lost most benefits. Garlic crushed and left to rest 10 minutes retained its full medicinal power. 10 minutes, that's it. Crush it, walk away, let the chemistry happen, then cook or eat it raw. This one habit turns garlic from a flavor into medicine. Final takeaway. Garlic truly supports heart health, cholesterol control, blood pressure, immune function, but only if you use it correctly. So remember, crush and rest for 10 minutes, avoid high heat, skip jarred garlic, keep intake moderate, respect medication interactions. Now I'm curious. Did you know about the 10-minute resting rule before this video? Be honest, drop a comment below. Most people don't. I didn't either. And now you'll never use garlic the same way again.